Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Uppa Baby Vista is probably one of the most sought-after premium strollers on the market, renowned for its exceptional quality, versatile design, and ability to grow with your family from newborn to toddler and beyond, making it a significant investment that promises durability, style, and unparalleled functionality for modern parents navigating the urban jungle or suburban strolls with ease and comfort. Number 5. GROWNSY Baby Nasal Aspirator. Is your little one struggling with a stuffy nose? Keeping their airways clear is essential for their comfort and health. This device offers a gentle yet effective solution. Say goodbye to manual methods. This electric nose sucker provides automatic, consistent suction, making the process quick and stress-free for both you and your baby. Equipped with a larger suction chamber and more powerful suction, it efficiently clears even stubborn mucus. You can trust it to provide thorough relief every time. To make the experience more pleasant, it features built-in music and light functions. These gentle distractions help keep your baby calm and cooperative during use. Designed with your baby's safety and comfort in mind, it's a gentle yet highly effective tool. Give your baby the gift of clear breathing and peaceful sleep. What we like. This electric aspirator offers superior snot removal with its larger chamber and powerful suction. It also features soothing music and lights to keep your baby calm during use. If you're looking for an efficient and gentle way to clear your baby's nasal passages, this is an excellent choice for a stress-free experience. What people say. Number 4. UPPAbaby Extra Mesa Car Seat Base. Introducing the UPPAbaby Extra Mesa Car Seat Base. This essential accessory provides added convenience and flexibility for your family. It's designed to simplify your travel. It works perfectly with your existing UPPAbaby Mesa, V2, and V3 infant car seats. This ensures a secure and reliable connection every time you use it. Experience hassle-free setup with its innovative Smart Secure installation system. This feature makes installing it quick and straightforward, giving you peace of mind. The Smart Secure system provides visual indicators to confirm correct installation. This ensures your child's car seat is always safely and properly secured. Having an extra base allows for easy transfer of your car seat between multiple vehicles. This saves time and effort, making your daily routine smoother. What we like. This extra base simplifies moving your infant car seat between vehicles. Its Smart Secure installation ensures a quick, correct, and secure fit every time. If you frequently switch cars or have multiple vehicles, this accessory provides unmatched convenience and safety for your UPPAbaby Mesa car seat. What people say. Number 3. UPPAbaby PiggyBack Ride-Along Board for Vista Strollers. Need more room for your growing family? This innovative accessory easily attaches to your UPPAbaby Vista stroller, allowing an older child to join the ride. It's designed specifically for Vista, Vista V2, and Vista V3 models, ensuring a perfect fit. You can confidently use it with your existing stroller. Attaching it is incredibly simple and quick. You can have it ready for use in moments, making your outing smoother. Your child can comfortably stand and enjoy the journey right alongside you. It provides a fun and convenient way for them to participate. Built to last, it supports children up to 55 pounds. This ensures a safe and secure experience for your little one on every adventure. What we like. This ride-along board is perfect for families with a toddler and a baby. It attaches quickly to your Vista stroller, allowing an older child to stand and ride along. If you need a practical solution for your growing family and want to keep children close, this board offers a fun and convenient way to stroll together. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Number 2. MAMAZING Ultra Air Lightweight Baby Travel Stroller. Introducing the ultimate travel companion for parents on the go. This stroller redefines convenience with its incredibly light design. Built with a robust carbon fiber frame, it offers exceptional strength without the added weight. You can trust its reliable construction for every journey. Designed for modern families, it's incredibly compact and airplane-friendly. Take it anywhere, from city streets to international flights, with ease. Folding it is a breeze, requiring just one hand. This feature makes packing up quick and hassle-free, especially when you're holding your little one. Weighing in at just 11.6 pounds, carrying it is never a burden. Its feather-like construction ensures effortless portability for parents. Specifically designed for toddlers, it provides a comfortable and secure ride. Your child will enjoy every adventure in this cozy stroller. What we like. This stroller boasts an ultra-lightweight carbon fiber frame, making it incredibly easy to carry. Its compact, one-handed fold is perfect for quick storage and it's airplane-friendly. If you're a frequent traveler or need a super portable stroller for quick errands, this model is designed for ultimate convenience and minimal bulk. What people say. No reviews found in the source JSON to extract points from. The provided source JSON is empty, so no positive product features could be identified. Number 1. Momcozy ChangeGo Baby Stroller. Introducing a revolutionary stroller designed to adapt to your growing family. It effortlessly transforms from a single to a double stroller, and even into a convenient wagon. With an impressive 23 configurations, this stroller offers unparalleled flexibility. You can customize it to suit any outing, ensuring comfort and convenience for everyone. It comes complete with both a carry cot and a seat, ready for use from day one. This comprehensive package means you have everything you need for your little one's journey. Experience superior maneuverability and comfort with its large PU wheels. Coupled with all-wheel suspension, it ensures a smooth ride over various terrains, keeping your child cozy. Protect your precious cargo from the elements with its extendable UPF 50+ canopy. This feature provides excellent shade and UV protection, making every adventure safer and more enjoyable. What we like. This highly versatile stroller transforms from a single to a double, and even into a wagon, offering 23 configurations. It includes a carry cot and seat, plus features all-wheel suspension for a smooth ride. If you're looking for a long-term investment that adapts to your family's changing needs, from one child to multiple, this stroller provides unparalleled flexibility and comfort. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.